It's not Christmas without Nakatomi Plaza. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you this little device here that will make your holidays and your Christmas a little bit more special, and it's from one of the most popular holiday movies out there. But before we get there, gotta pay some bills here, so I want to thank today's sponsor. Today's episode is brought to you by the Golf Ball Sack. Every man is carrying around a set of balls. That's why you're always man spreading. Don't waste all of that extra space and let your golf balls crowd your golf bag. Check out our new Golf Ball Sack. The Golf Ball Sack attaches to your waist like a loincloth and allows you to carry up to 24 brand new Titleists in the conveniently located space between your legs. Golf Ball Sack doesn't affect your center of gravity when you're winding up for the big drive or taking that important chip. And don't just use it for golf balls, it's great for taking sandwiches or drinks on the go too. So stop wasting that space between your legs and have everything that you need at the tip of your fingers with the Golf Ball Sack. I know I love mine. Now, you'd probably know that Die Hard is a Christmas movie, one of the greatest movies of all time, and you also probably know that the holidays are coming up and you're looking for a fun way to count down those days. So bring in Nakatomi Plaza right there. So we get the building right there. You can see 1 through 24. You can count down the days of December to Christmas here. But what you can see, it's kind of made out of like balsa wood or something like that, but gray like Nakatomi Plaza. Comes with this base with some spaces, openings on the bottom where you can slide in these tabs just like this. I don't think there's an up or down per se, but we'll get those in there. Okay, my little tip here is once you get them lined up, I just kind of grabbed it by the sides here and was kind of banging into the table a little bit. And now you can see we have this base here, Nakatomi Plaza, little Reginald Vell Johnson down there. But what's most important here is that we get Hans Gruber falling from the top of the building. Now, I also want to show you, there's a little magnet on the back. There's a little metal strip in here. So what you can do is you can put Hans up here, and I kind of feel like he should be falling a little bit like this. You know what I'm saying? Maybe the hand shows the 1, the 2, and then you keep sliding him down as the days go by towards Christmas. And so you can have a Hans Gruber right there falling to his death. Now, you could probably put it like this too if you wanted him upside down, really, because the view we were seeing was from the top of Nakatomi looking down, right? And so you would see him looking up at you like, no! Like that, right? You know what I'm saying? So I think he should be upside down. That's just my take, but you can do whatever you want. Free country for a little while. And so you can have Hans falling all the way down here to Christmas Eve and then ring in the holidays, you know, with one of the best movies ever. You know, settle in on Christmas Eve with Die Hard and watch John McClane finally get his gun. Hey, if you want to pick this up, it's not that expensive and it's a little bit of fun for everyone around the holidays. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.